There are three ways that you can track your mileage. First, automatically. Second, by hitting start and stop. And the third, simply by logging a form. So for the first two, your location services on your device need to be set to always allow. This will enable the mileage tracker to work all of the time. You can do that in your device's settings as shown. So to track your journeys automatically, all you now need to start doing is moving at speed. So jump in your car and the journey will start to track. The second way is to log your journeys through the start and stop mode. So go to the mileage settings within the app, turn on manual mode, and you can see the play button has started at the top. If you hit that button when you start your journey and press stop when you're finished, a journey will log in your app. It all saves safely to the cloud as well. The third way is to log your journey manually. This is for the times when you forget your phone completely. So you can enter in the details of your journey, time, date, start and end location, the distance travelled. You can even choose between business and personal mileage and add a note when necessary as well. Once you've completed that, hit the green tick button in the bottom right hand corner and that's going to save it safely into the cloud. You've also got a search bar here at the top. The search bar is used to search for any particular keywords that might be included both within your journey locations and within the notes. So use this to your advantage when necessary. You're also able to perform actions on all of the mileage logs that you have performed. You can do this by hitting the tick and selecting the options that you would need. You can then export it to yourself or to your accountant. Finally, we've got a filter option here as well. You can filter by the particular trip types, business or personal. You're also able to filter by the date. So if you wanted to filter from all of January through to March, then you're able to do this like so. The final thing that I'd like to show you on the mileage tracker page is the little I at the top. This takes you through to our FAQ. And I'm sure that this will answer all of the questions that you've got. But rest assured, if not, there'll be someone on hand to help.